for a whole year. What the hell am I supposed to do at home?
Hey honey, what test did you get?
I'm not allowed to go outside.
Oh no, I'm so sorry.
You know what? At least I don't have to go to school.
Nice try. You know there's something called online school now.
I'm so bored. Being at home sucks. Actually, let me call my friends. Hello? What are you guys doing?
Sorry, we can't hear you. The music's too loud. Wanna watch a movie with us?
I mean, sure, it's not like I have anything else to do. I must have slept on the couch. Where is everyone? Mom?
There is a hurricane surrounding this area. Everyone must evacuate immediately.
A phone? Yeah, why not?
What did your soulmate buy?
He bought a new phone.
Mine brought new sunglasses.
A ring light. Okay. Is he being serious? Not happening. He's rich? I mean, if he wants to buy it, I guess. Another phone? How many phones does one need? No.
Did your soulmate buy a lot of things?
So many things.
Did he ask for a TikTok hoodie?
Yeah. How did you know?
You have to take a look at this.
Switch lives with my boyfriend, of course. This is crazy. Morning, Mom.
Morning, I made you your favorite shake.
Thanks. This is disgusting.
What did you say?
Nothing. I said it's delicious.
What's up, bro? Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to hurt you. Are you okay?
I'm fine. Didn't hurt at all.
Are you wearing lip gloss?
No.
Or are you just gonna stand there staring?
Oh yeah, sorry. This is so heavy. So what do we usually do next?
Aren't you meeting Jessica?
Jessica? Who's Jessica?
Your girlfriend, bro.
Have you heard? Heard what?
If you have 4.5 and above, you can enter competition.
What's the prize?
No one knows that yet.
I have to get my rating up. Hey, I love your outfit today.
Thank you.
Hey, let me help. Mom, do you want me to make dinner today?
Yes, please. I've had such a busy day.
I'm so close. Hey, what's wrong?
I didn't do my homework.
Hey, have mine.
Amara, where's your homework?
I forgot it.
Look up.
I qualify.
And the winner of this competition is... Amara! Come up to the stage. Here's your prize.
Mom! I'm gonna try something out, okay?
Okay, honey.
Give me all your money.
Hey, have my credit card.
No way. I mean, thank you. See you later.
So, did you get it?
Get what?
Your mom's money.
Oh yeah, I did.
Okay, great. Let's go shopping after school.
Okay.
Hey.
Wow, you invited everyone.
Yeah, why not? You have enough money, don't
I do,
you?
I just don't think there's...
I knew she was broke.
Actually, never mind. There's more than enough. Mom, what's up?
We have to move out.
What? Why?
I don't have any more money.
Hey, I need advice.
Yeah, sorry. I heard you don't have money anymore. Hey, it's your dad. I'm sorry for how I spoke to you earlier. I heard you won the lottery. Can you send me some money?
Are you serious? You haven't seen me in years and the first thing you ask me about is money? No.
Wait, please. Was that your dad?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, honey. I tried to warn you.
I just don't get it. What kind of a dad doesn't want to see his own daughter?
There's many things you don't know.
Like what?
Hello?
I need you to meet me. I have some questions.
Okay, send me the address.
I knew it. He's not gonna turn up.
Hey.
Dad? But you can't tell which is bad. Except the color's different. I'll go with red. I did it! I picked the right one! No way. This is definitely the bad one. It's a trap. But I have nothing left to lose. I feel fine. I did it!
Congratulations.
What's this?
It's a 10 million check for completing the bonus task. Better spend it quick. You only have 5 days.
What do you mean 5 days?
The last drink you had was
What?
poisoned. It should take 5 days to kill
You
you.
tricked me!
Well, there is a way to get the cure.
Hey baby, won't you look my way? I can be your new addiction. Hey baby, what you gotta say? All you're giving me is fiction. I'm a sorry sucker and this happens all the time. I find out that everybody talks, everybody talks, everybody talks. It started with a whisper, and now it's when I kissed her. And then she made my lips hurt. I could hear the chit-chat. Take me to your love shack. Mama's always got a back track when everybody talks back.
But you can't tell which is bad. Except the color's different. I'll go with red. I did it! I picked the right one! No way. This is definitely the bad one. It's a trap. But I have nothing left to lose. I feel fine. I did it!
Congratulations.
What's this?
It's a 10 million check for completing the bonus task. Better spend it quick. You only have 5 days.
What do you mean 5 days?
The last drink you had was
What?
poisoned. It should take 5 days to kill
You
you.
tricked me!
Well, there is a way to get the cure. Cool hairstyle.
Thanks!
Should I make you some pancakes for breakfast?
Not right now. I need to go to school.
Hey, you're ready for the test?
What test?
The science test. It's starting in an hour.
We never learned about this. The answer to question 25 is A. I can get used to this. Hey, have you seen Emily?
Didn't you hear she passed away?
What do you mean she passed away?
She took her own life.
How do you know that?
I was there. Congratulations, here.
What's this?
It's a 10 million check for completing all the tasks. Use it quick, you only have 5
What
days.
do you mean 5 days?
The drink you had was poisoned.
You all tricked me!
Well, there is a way to get the cure.
What is it?
Look up.
I'll just cash it in, then I'll destroy it.
Look again.
But this is everything I've worked for.
Either you save your money or your life.
What am I gonna push?
Hey, could you borrow me some money? I really need it.
How about you help me finish my tasks and I'll borrow you as much as you want.
Why are we on top of a bridge?
Now you won't be owing anyone anymore. Why black? I don't even know how I have a black lipstick, but let's go. That's for the black lipstick.
Hey, whoa. What's up with the black lipstick?
What's up with the wedding dress?
My soulmate made me.
Same.
Hey guys, sorry about the pink shoes. My soulmate made me wear it.
It's just a coincidence.
Hey Amara, Yes.
But I got 3 options.
Yeah, some people do get that sometimes. Just choose one.
Okay. I'll choose blue.
Amara, look what I can do.
What the hell?
I can walk on walls like
Be
Spider-Man.
careful!
Ouch. Hey, what power did you get?
I don't know, I kind of feel the same. I think I picked the wrong color.
Hey guys, what's up?
Oh, we were just... That's weird. Did he just...
Guys, no sleeping on the floor.
They're not breathing. What's happening? Oh no.
Ready to see what eye color you
Yeah,
got?
are you?
Yeah, but I'm nervous.
Same.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
No way, you're blue.
Yours still haven't changed.
They haven't? That's strange. Mom,
Why haven't your eyes changed color
how am I
yet?
supposed to know?
You better get blue like the rest of our family. I don't want you embarrassing us.
And what if I get another color?
Then we'll disown you.
I don't understand why it's so important.
Hey, have you got your... You haven't gotten your color yet.
Nope.
Well, hopefully you won't get purple. Miss, I read somewhere that there's only been 3 people who's ever gotten purple eyes. Is it true? Yes, whoever gets purple eyes is in danger.
I'm not even nervous anymore. I know I'm getting blue. Shit.
Did you get your color yet? He told me to look for a girl wearing black lipstick.
He's your son?
Yeah, want to see a picture of him?
Sure. Damn. That's your son?
Yeah.
He kind of looks like a criminal.
What?
I'm just joking.
Is it because of the black
No,
lipstick?
not all. Black looks good on him. See you later. Jenny, guess what? My soulmate's super hot and he has this like edgy look to him.
Wasn't your soulmate our teacher?
No. It's his son.
Okay, this is weird.
And I'm gonna meet him today.
You should be careful.
Be careful for what?
You've never met the guy. You don't know how he could be like. Amara, have you seen the news? It's about a
Let
guy
me
wearing
see.
black lipstick. Guys, no sleeping on the
They're
floor.
not breathing. What's happening? Oh no.
Hey, are you okay?
Wait, please, just leave me alone.
Why?
Because I just killed 3 people by looking at them.
Here, take these glasses.
Will it help?
Yeah, just try avoid taking them off at all times. Honey, you're home.
Yeah, I'm just going to my room.
Wait, why are you wearing those glasses? Did your friends make
No,
you...
Mom. Stop asking me all these questions. I need to search for a cure. I can't find anything. Wait. The guy that gave me the glasses might know how I can get rid of this ability. Hey, can I ask you something? How do you know so much about...
Your power? Because I'm the
And
same.
how do we get rid of it?
Well, there's only one way. Have you seen the news? It's about a guy wearing black lipstick.
Let me see.
What? What happened?
I think that was my soulmate.
No way, this guy's a criminal.
I don't know what to do. He told me to meet him at the park alone.
Don't go, he might try to hurt you.
Yeah, but like, why alone? You know what? I'm gonna go. He's my soulmate. He's not gonna hurt me. Can't believe I'm doing this. Wait, that's him. Why is there with so many people wearing black lipstick? This is weird. Hey,
Oh, hi, you're my soulmate, right?
what's going on?
We want you to join our group.
Group? What do you guys like? Rob places or something?
That's one of the things. You
I'm
in?
not doing this.
Get rid of her. Please just listen to them, trust me. Wear this.